Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you which outdoor camera is better, Xiaomi CW400 versus CW300. First, let's compare their specs. As you can see here, for resolution, they have the same resolution. For camera sensor, they also have the same camera sensor. On night vision, they have the same night vision. But on field of view, Xiaomi CW400 has a 360 horizontal view and 160 vertical, while the Xiaomi CW300 only has a dual pan tilt design with less range. AI detection, they have the same AI humanoid detection. For additional features, time-lapse photography, two-way voice communication for Xiaomi CW400. While on Xiaomi CW300, there are sound and light warning, and it includes 32GB memory card. Both of them have IP66 for dustproof and waterproof. Now on connectivity, on Xiaomi CW400, it is upgraded with dual high-gain antennas. For storage, microSD card support, and cloud storage for Xiaomi CW400. On Xiaomi CW300, it includes 32GB microSD and it also has a cloud storage. Now, to compare their price, Xiaomi CW300 is more cheaper but with less features. For their key differences, the Xiaomi CW400 offers a wider field of view, better AI detection, and additional features like time-lapse photography. The CW300 is more affordable. It includes a memory card and focuses on basic features with sound, light warnings. Now choose the CW400 for premium features or the CW300 for budget-friendly essentials. So basically, if you have a budget, you must choose the CW400 because it is much better overall with premier features for outdoors. But if you're on a budget, you can also get the CW300 because it is also good on outdoors, but it has a less features. And that's basically it.